Today, we're diving into something seriously wild, a YouTube Shorts channel that exploded with 600,000 subscribers and 215 million views after uploading only 11 videos. Yeah, you heard that right, 11 videos. That's an average of almost 20 million views per video. And what makes this even crazier? All their videos are made entirely with AI. No fancy filming, no expensive gear, just AI doing the heavy lifting. If you've been skeptical about making money with YouTube Shorts or AI content, stick around, because this is one of those rare success stories that shows exactly how to tap into this opportunity while it's still fresh. Plus, I'll walk you through the exact steps, the niche, the AI tools, the video ideas, the editing tricks, and even how you can start monetizing fast without grinding for months. First off, 215 million views from 11 videos. That's insane. For comparison, many creators post hundreds of videos trying to get even a fraction of those views. It's not just luck, it's a smart strategy mixed with the power of AI. 2 years ago, YouTube launched a Shorts Fund, paying creators up to 60 cents per 1,000 views on Shorts, which may sound low, but with tens of millions of views, it adds up fast. Even with a conservative RPM, revenue per mila or per thousand views, lower than that, this channel has likely earned over $133,000 from just 11 videos. That's a life-changing side hustle, or even a full-time income for a lot of people. Now, the trick is how they did it, and more importantly, how you can do it too. Step 1. Pick the perfect niche. The foundation of their success was the niche, animals fighting each other. It's simple but addictive content. Think of it as a mini showdown. Two animals go head-to-head, and viewers watch to see who wins. This concept is highly shareable, easy to understand, and hooks viewers quickly. The channel didn't just guess this niche, it was data-driven. Using AI-powered tools like NextLev, a YouTube competitor analysis tool, they found tons of channels crushing it with similar animal fight videos. This validated there was a big audience craving this content. If you want to find a niche like this yourself, you can use similar tools or Chrome extensions that show you channels creating similar content, along with their view stats. It's a goldmine for research. Step 2. Generate video ideas with ChatGPT. Once the niche was decided, the next major step involved generating video ideas, focusing on which animals to match up and how to organize the fights. Instead of spending hours brainstorming manually, they leveraged ChatGPT to streamline this process. They provided the AI with data from the most popular videos on a reference channel, such as the animals featured most frequently and the typical number of fights per video. Using this information, ChatGPT generated detailed fight scenarios, efficiently producing matchups along with clear winners. For example, it might come up with fights like lion versus elephant, with the elephant winning, crocodile versus hippo, with the hippo winning, or tiger versus bear, with the tiger as the victor. This way, ChatGPT created a full list of 5 fights, each with an assigned winner. A key part of the instructions was to avoid generating any script or voiceover text, since these videos rely purely on visuals rather than narration. This allowed the content to stay true to the original style of the channel they were modeling after. By using AI in this way, they saved significant time and effort that would otherwise have been spent on idea generation and planning. Moreover, the approach helped maintain the pacing and structure that contributed to the original channel's viral success. Essentially, ChatGPT acted as a creative assistant, delivering well-structured, ready-to-use fight scenarios that matched the channel's proven formula, allowing the team to focus more on video production and less on brainstorming. Step 3. Create killer visuals with Leonardo AI. Now comes the creative part, visuals. The videos need images of each animal close up, plus dynamic fight scenes showing the winner standing over the loser. For this, the creators used Leonardo AI an AI image generator known for producing realistic and cinematic images. It's free to use with daily credits, which makes it perfect for beginners. But rather than writing each image prompt manually, which would take forever, ChatGPT was used again to generate detailed image prompts optimized for Leonardo AI. These prompts describe the animals in scary, lifelike detail to grab viewers' attention. For example, ChatGPT might produce a prompt like a close-up cinematic portrait of a fierce lion with glowing eyes, highly detailed fur texture, dramatic lighting, 4K resolution. Paste that into Leonardo AI, and boom, you get a stunning image ready for your video. Step 4. Generate fighting scene images with flow state mode. Creating images of animals actually fighting each other is trickier. The original approach with normal Leonardo settings produced poor results, but a recent new feature in Leonardo AI called Flow State changed the game. This mode gives the AI more creative freedom to interpret complex prompts, resulting in much better, realistic fight scenes. With Flow State, the prompt specifies which animal is on top, the winner, so you get an image showing the winner standing over the loser, just like the viral videos. For best results, the video creator experimented with settings like lighting, camera type, and color tone to mimic the style of the original channel. Step 5. Edit the video with CapCut free plan. With all the visuals ready, close-ups, and fight scenes, it's time to put the video together. They used CapCut, a free beginner-friendly video editor available on both Mac and Windows. The editing workflow is straightforward. First, create a new project and import all AI-generated images. Then start with close-ups of the two animals that will fight, adding a text overlay showing versus between them. Next, insert the fight scene image where the winner is clearly on top. Repeat this process for all fights generated by ChatGPT. Add quick transitions and maybe some dramatic sound effects, royalty-free, for impact, while keeping the video length under 60 seconds to fit YouTube Shorts format. This simple yet effective editing style keeps viewers hooked and encourages shares. Step 6. Monetization secrets. How to earn fast without waiting. Here's a secret most people don't know. YouTube Shorts monetization can take forever if you start a brand new channel. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before monetizing, which could mean months of grinding. But this channel skipped the wait by buying pre-monetized YouTube accounts that have already passed YouTube's partner program requirements. These accounts are sold on marketplaces where previous owners grew the channel to 1,000 plus subscribers and got monetization approved. By buying one, you start earning revenue immediately from your first video. No waiting, no losing potential earnings if a video goes viral right away. Of course, it's not mandatory, but if you want to speedrun your short success, it's a solid hack. Just be cautious, buy from legit sources, and check reviews. Why this strategy works so well? The reason this strategy works so well is because it drastically lowers production costs by using AI tools, cutting out the need for filming, actors, or fancy gear. The niche itself has high viral potential. Animal fights are addictive, easy to watch, and naturally shareable. Using AI for competitor analysis and idea generation means fewer blind guesses and more data-driven decisions. Plus, the workflow is highly scalable. Once you have the prompts and templates, you can churn out videos fast. Finally, buying pre-approved monetized channels lets you cash in immediately, avoiding the typical months-long YouTube grind. To sum up, first choose a niche that has proven viral potential, such as animals fighting. Confirm the demand by using competitor analysis tools like NextLev or similar Chrome extensions. Next, generate your video ideas and fight outcomes using ChatGPT. Create stunning visuals with Leonardo AI. utilizing ChatGPT-generated prompts to describe the animals in vivid detail. Use Leonardo AI's flow state mode for the more complex fight scenes where one animal is dominating another. Edit your video in CapCut using the free version, keeping things simple and engaging for a shorts format. And if you want to monetize fast, consider buying a pre-monetized YouTube account from a trusted marketplace to start earning revenue immediately after posting. ChatGPT is obviously the go-to for generating ideas and image prompts. Leonardo AI is the free image generation tool with daily credits, perfect for high-quality visuals. CapCut is the easy and free video editor you'll want to use on Mac or Windows. And if monetization speed is a priority, look into marketplaces selling pre-monetized YouTube accounts. But always research carefully to avoid scams. If you've been thinking about starting a YouTube Shorts channel, but don't want to spend endless hours filming or editing, this AI-powered approach is one of the best shortcuts out there right now. Just remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You still need to put in some work, research, and patience. But with the right tools and strategy, this could be your ticket to building a viral monetized channel fast. So what do you think? Are you ready to jump into AI-powered YouTube Shorts? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want me to break down any other AI content niches, just say the word.